Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video I will be sharing with you a shampoo recipe. This is the DIY shampoo which is made of rosemary water. The rosemary water which I made earlier is being used in this. It has incredible uses on your hair. It can promote hair growth, reduce hair fall, and this is the best way of using, one of the best ways of using rosemary water on your hair. So this is the shampoo which is very easy to make and suitable for all hair types, and if you want to know, please continue watching. Before making the shampoo, I will be showing you what rosemary is. So this is the dry rosemary herb which is purchased from a shop nearby. You can purchase this online also. It looks somewhat like small pieces of wood, but it is very aromatic and it has that pungency when you taste it. So this is very good for hair, and it is known to stimulate your scalp by promoting hair growth, and also it will strengthen the hair roots and reduce hair fall. The rosemary water is ready. Cool the water before you can strain it. Use a strainer to strain and store it in a bottle. Keep this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months and use whenever you want. You can use it in your shampoos like how I am using it today in this video. You can use it as a facial mist or even as a hairspray, or you can use it as a tea. You can consume it, and there are various health and beauty benefits of this rosemary water. Always use diluted rosemary water so that it doesn't have any irritation. To make this shampoo, I am using a sulfate free shampoo base. You can use any shampoo which is available for you. Even the normal shampoo which you use regularly can be used to make this shampoo. So to make this shampoo, you need a bowl or a bottle. I'm going to take a bottle so that I can store it in this. I'll be taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of this shampoo base, and I will add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. This can moisturize your hair and also keep it soft and silky, therefore I'm using it. And I will add the rosemary water, 2 teaspoons. I'm using this shampoo so that it will be enough for my 2 washes of my hair, my shoulder length hair. If you want to make it more, you can also do it. So don't have to shake it, just take a spoon or a small stirrer and then mix it like this, just adding it. If you shake the bottle, it will lather up and you will not be able to mix the ingredients thoroughly. After 2 to 3 minutes of mixing it well, you will get a homogeneous liquid. The shampoo will be ready. The aloe vera gel which is added has to be mixed well. So this is how the shampoo looks. It is quite frothy. This DIY shampoo will work as any other regular shampoo. You can check it out by just adding little bit of water, diluting it, and it will lather up as good as a normal shampoo. You can use this as a regular shampoo. Wet your hair, take a little bit of this shampoo and lather it upon your hair, and you can wash it off. The purpose of adding rosemary water into your regular shampoo is that it will turn your normal ordinary shampoo into a anti-hair fall shampoo. So it is very good. You can reduce your cost of buying a very expensive shampoo and you make your own. Try this shampoo and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, you can subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and thanks for watching.